Hello, Conrad here with another video about using remote desktop. I just wanted to show you, in my last video I showed you when getting out of remote desktop. I showed you coming up here and using the logout button. It turns out that may not be the best way to work with remote desktop. Another option you have is simply to come up to the Microsoft Remote Desktop menu and say quit remote desktop. And let me show you why. If I already have here a terminal open, let's say I have it open to my 156 directory and then my JSPA01pconrad, and then maybe I'm in here and I've already got VS Code open. And I might be in the middle of something, maybe some edit here, maybe I'm looking through the README file. By the way, in VS Code, if you have a file like this in Markdown, one of the cool things you can do is, let's see if I can get it right here. There we go. That's what I was looking for. You can split the screen and have a formatted version of the Markdown on the right-hand side and then the code on the left-hand side. We can go down to this part about setting up code coverage, and I could be, like, say, reading through this, and maybe I'm sort of in the middle of this, and then I need to stop for a while. I can actually just come up here to Microsoft Remote Desktop, quit Remote Desktop. And what's cool is if I go back into Remote Desktop later on. So again, I'll use my Cecil username and password here to log in. Then when I get back in, what we see is that my session is saved. I still have my same session. I still have my terminal window. I still have my VS Code open exactly where I was. This can be extraordinarily helpful. So rather than coming over here and using the logout, I encourage you instead to come up to Microsoft Remote Desktop and just say quit Remote Desktop. And then you should see next time you go back into Microsoft Remote Desktop that your session is still there. Hope this was helpful and hope you enjoyed this video. If you have more questions, you can ask them on the course Slack. Thank you.